Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll share with you guys how you can transfer Facebook page ownership from one Facebook business to another Facebook business. So recently we did some marketing for a client where initially we created the Facebook page, then we needed to transfer over the ownership to their Facebook business account. And after completing that process, I thought to create this tutorial video for you guys. So here's this tutorial where you will learn how to transfer Facebook page ownership from one Facebook business to another Facebook business. So that's my Facebook business account. And this is the page which I need to transfer to another business. Now I have created another business account in order to show you guys. And that's the business where I will transfer this Facebook business page, right? So all I have to do is click on assign partner and then add in the business ID. So I'll add the business ID here and where you can find the business ID. So let's go to that business. I'm going to open this drop down, open this up in a new tab by clicking on this business settings icon. And here you can see that we have our business ID showing up. So that's our business ID. So let's copy this business ID, go back to our Facebook business where we had the page. And here I'm going to head over to pages and then click on the same page where I need to transfer the ownership and then click on assign partner. And here I'm going to click on business ID and then paste the business ID here. Then scroll down to the bottom and toggle on everything except sensitive account. So toggle this on and then click on assign. Once you do that, it's gonna do some verification based on your requirement. To me, it's sending the code to my email address, which I'm gonna paste in right here. Okay, after pasting the code, it is now saying partner is assigned to AutoCorner, which is the new business which I have created. Now let's click on done. And here, now if I go to that other business account, it should show up. Now on this business account, if I click on pages, you can see that we have this page showing up here. Now I will remove that from my business to complete the ownership transfer. So let's head back. I'm simply gonna do this with another tab because for some reason it's not opening a new tab when I try to do that from here. So I'm simply gonna open that here. I'm gonna click on that same page and then click on remove. Now here it's saying that there is also an Instagram account connected with that Facebook page where I will need to go to page settings and disconnect it and then try again. So we'll need to first disconnect the Instagram and then transfer over that Instagram as well. So let's first transfer over that Instagram as well. So click on Instagram accounts and then click on this Instagram and then click on assign partner. And here again, I'm going to add in my business ID, which is this one here in the URL. Simply going to paste the business ID and toggle this on and then click on assign. Perfect. Now let's go back to the pages and click on remove. And now we will disconnect the Facebook and Instagram. So go to page settings and then disconnect the Instagram. Facebook page on a new tab. Click on switch to take the ownership of this page. Click on settings and click on linked accounts. And you can see that it's connected to Instagram. I'm simply going to click here and then click on disconnect account. Yes, disconnect. Perfect. Our account is now disconnected. Now let's go back to the Facebook page and let's try that again. So I'm simply going to click on remove And I think we'll have to refresh. Perfect. If you remove the page, it will no longer be the part of the business portfolio. Access upon removal, there will be no PayPal account. So I'm going to simply click on remove page from business portfolio. And now if I go back to the other and hit refresh, we can see that we have this under our account. So that's how we can transfer Facebook page ownership from one Facebook business account to another business account. Let me know in the comments below if this video were a little helpful for you guys. Until next video, have a great day.